let's just unpack on the Real Housewives of Durban, season 5, episode 7. Remember, they had said they coming to Joburg, right? So they went to Joburg, and that's the trip actually was organized by Angel and Fafa. Remember, they were even telling Lonko, would say, I'll change and become a better person. Then I go low, but Ulwa no low. How is it even going to help you? I say, hey, it's my event, my book launch. On my book launch, you come and tell me those things. No. So when I must figure goal, what happens? Guys, no go, God worse in Joburg. She actually got worse. Like, she's not getting any better. Remember when I started, a week before it started, actually, in season 5, I said, yo, Unongo, hope she changes. But what she normally does is that she starts by looking like Uzo change, and she never changes. She's actually worse now. Unongo. Edonsana no Ayanda. It's a you and a you got to feel a group of Sutamangut. I was just like, Sissy, Sifini. She's like, Ufika nje kule group usuzongidonsa. Busy dragging me and ngihlangele ngizokubonisa ke mina ke. Ha. I was like, because kungena kuphi lokho? Kungena nowhere lokho. You know? This is not your group. You don't own it. Like, what's going on? Guys, it's just like, she's a lot. She is a lot. So, Yoma's also, she's always late. She's even late on her own events. We book launch, she was late. I can't stand that. I'm just like, how rude. She's always late. So, she comes in Johannesburg. Amarumu kabesekhethiwe akhethwe amarumu Jojo yamazi umuntu ama-botox, ama-plastic surgeries. She has done just about anything. Ujojo, I'm like, akasabi to be under the knife. I'm just like, I could never. So Ujojo, that was something about plastic surgery. She won the room, but her room is not as nice as Sorisha. Sorisha udlale iraful. Wa win a room early out of this world. It's like some small luxury, crazy. You know, it's not even small. It's big. What am I even saying? It's small. So labo sisi laba, guys, I tell you. Guys, idrama kaNonku is a lot. Ukhumbula ukuthi mayiqala uqala ngomthandazo uNonku. The first episode uNonku was praying, she had a Bible. Kodwa lo mase sethandaza during dinner uthi lo no akuthuleni ngalokho exaxwa because ubhizi uNonku uxabana nama-twins nalento yakhe ukuthi mina I'm the oldest, I'm the OG of the group. Ngene ngitshele next, guys, please, you don't own the Real Housewives of Durban. Please stop. Like ukubona. So ama-twins ke sekuxatshana, hey nina ngazongitshela ngiqeda ufika egroup yini. Remember I said that. And then ulo athi lo no akuthandazweni, guys, athi uNonku ubani uthandaza besedla uNonku ungakathandazwa. Kodwa this is the same person when Real Housewives of Durban season 5 started. She was like, oh no, I'm repenting, I'm becoming a better person. She becomes worse every time in the middle of episode 7. She's gone crazy. At some stage, she went to Sorisha. She was saying, Laila ngiyayifuna le room, ngamane ngilale phansi. Guys, ufike late. Please stop. That's why you didn't even get a room. Chances are, if you come earlier, you would have gotten a better room. You know? Guys, uNonku is extra, actually. You know, ke manje lo mesithandaza lo Nonku naye ufuna ukuthandaza. And manje mayithandaza uthandaza ngalabo sisi ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami olungileyo ngicela ukuthi please deal with them, God. Guys, that's not right though. Hey? I would have just called it nje ukuthi ayikho right leyo nto leyo. Axolise kuNonku kuSorisha nje ngokuthi labo lokuncane okukhona la etafuleni, but at the end of the day ama-twins Ayanda noSisi wakhe, there was no need for them to call uNonku ugogo ngoba uzobahlanyela, guys, we know that, right? Uzobe batshela uShatsapho. So ama-twins nawo sepibiza uNonku ngogogo, guys. No, that's a bit much though. They went below the belt on that one. They went dancing, so Minnie was complaining ukuthi yena uqala she's big, badlala ngayo belenge nje, guys, akana rhythm connects Minnie Shembandla. She was like, oh mina izinqa zami ezinkulu nomzimba wami nje badlalela nje ngami. I'm like, you should have just stayed. Ukubona more feel some type of way, you know, at the dancing. It's almost like pole dancing, there's something going on there. I'm just like, these ladies, guys, really. So the twins are also sitting here wearing yellow, my favorite color, but yellow is very, very scarce sometimes, something that's really nice on yellow. So they're just chilling here. ama-twins, Sorisha no-Lo, they're just reflecting on what happened yesterday. Hey guys, yabona nje these ladies. So uSorisha-ke I-invite uLondi London. Ngathi uLondi London no-Lo, I think somehow Londi London introduced Lo, ngoba uLondi London apparently they are actually neighbors. Maybe she could have introduced her to Sorisha, yeah. So she comes get to dinner, kufuna ukwazi idwama. Uyazi vele noNonku amanzi noParaffin nje abahlangana. uSorisha was just explaining how they met, how she met Lo, and so uNonku-ke uyamazi fanele afakaze naye ngo-2 cent wakhe. She's like, oh, okay, so namama pastor, so no-Lo pastor kuthiweni ukuthi athi uLondi London, no, you actually not a pastor, man. Lo muntu is pastor's wife, and also it's not the same thing. And also guys, uNonku is not a pastor. Like, what's going on there? UNonku needs to get his stuff together, guys, because this is the same person who drinks like you've never seen, but uzobe aphinda akhulume ngoNkulunkulu. Uyabona ukuthi that's not right. Guys, kuxatshenwe-ke because people now we're calling each other names. uNonku bese bembiza ugogo bezo Angel. Angel wathi nawe uNonku wena Angel wengane, wathi ugogo-ke kwaxatshana kulela umbhedo, something about asparagus. I don't know what's going on there, but nje into umbhedo wodwa. And then Angel started saying ukuthi uNonku doesn't pay for her bills. She's always owing people for hair, for makeup. Yo, Sorisha was like, kungenaphi guys those things? Into endala le yasekho lapha kubula. Sorisha was saying ukuthi uNonku akathatha imali yakhe eSun City. This was in season 4. So ziningi vele indaba zikaNonku guys. Kuxatshana kuxanyetswa vela athi uAngel, I would rather go to HELL mina shame nokuthi ngilale nombheda aphumele phansi Angel. So nje kuyaxatshana kanjalo kuyaliwa-ke. So sizobona ku episode 8 how it goes. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.